TextNow App Review 2025 Pros and Cons Honest and Unbiased. You won't believe how mobile communication apps have evolved in 2025. TextNow promises free texting, calling, and flexible phone plans, but is it really worth it? The surprising truth is affordability. Most people get this wrong by assuming unlimited texting apps come with hidden costs. TextNow offers free texting and calling over Wi-Fi, and optional low-cost plans for data and nationwide calling, making it budget-friendly. One major advantage is flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app provides a real phone number, works across multiple devices, and supports voicemail and call forwarding. Users can also customize ringtones and notifications. TextNow includes security features like call blocking, spam detection, and encryption for messages. The app also allows international calling at low rates, making it a great option for travelers or those with family abroad. However, there are cons. Call quality may vary depending on network or Wi-Fi strength. Ads in the free version can be intrusive, and some features, like premium international calling, require a paid subscription. In conclusion, TextNow in 2025 is ideal for users seeking affordable texting and calling with flexible options. While ads and call quality may be minor issues, the combination of low cost, multi-device support and security features makes it a strong choice for budget-conscious communicators.